In today's video, I'll be walking you through the top 5 travel essentials you absolutely need to pack for a smooth, safe and stress-free adventure. Let's start with something we all know, the camera and the gear. When you are traveling, moments happen in a flash. A sudden sunset over a mountain range, the laughter of locals at a street market, or a quiet serene moment on the beach. These are moments you will want to capture and relive. A good camera is a must-have for any traveler. You've got your camera, but don't stop there. Always pack extra SD cards and extra batteries. There's nothing worse than running out of space or ending up with a dead camera. Which camera or gadget do you always take with you on your trips? Let me know in the comments below. Now this next one might be a game changer if you don't already use it. A currency exchange card. Imagine hopping between different countries, each with its own currency, and you never have to worry about carrying stacks of cash or finding an exchange kiosk. With a currency exchange card like Wise, you can hold multiple currencies in one account, pay at local rates, and avoid those sneaky fees that really add up. It's an absolute must if you are traveling through multiple countries. And here's the best part, the app is super simple. You can check exchange rates on the go and transfer money between currencies instantly. One of the worst feelings while traveling, realizing your bag is overweight right when you are about to check in at the airport. We have all been there, frantically moving clothes from one bag to another, trying to avoid those painful overweight luggage fees. But fear not, with a portable luggage scale, you can weigh your bags before you even leave for the airport, avoiding the entire stressful scenario. Especially if you are flying with budget airlines, which can have strict luggage allowances, this little device can be a lifesaver. It's compact, easy to use, and you can tuck it right into your carry-on. Traveling internationally means facing one frustrating reality. Not all power outlets are created equal. That's why the next essential on the list is a universal travel adapter. With a universal travel adapter, you can plug in your devices no matter where you are in the world. Whether you are in Europe, Asia or South America, this gadget has you covered. It's one of those things you won't realize you desperately need until you need it. And last but definitely not least, the good old power bank. When you are on move all day, you can't always find a place to charge your devices. And in today's world, staying connected is essential, whether it's for navigation or keeping in touch with your loved ones. A reliable power bank ensures that you never have to worry about your devices running out of battery. This little device is compact, easy to carry, and can literally be a lifesaver in moments when you need the power most. There you have it, 5 essential travel items that will make your next trip smoother, safer, and a lot more enjoyable.